EVs are becoming very popular, but how far can they really go on a single charge? And how long do their batteries last before needing replacement? These are the questions on everyone's mind. And in this video, we'll look at real-world tests of 12 electric vehicles to find out. Get ready to uncover the truth about EV range and battery life. Okay, so these cars were charged to 100% the night before and left in temperatures between 6 to 10 degrees Celsius. The goal? Drive them until they ran out of charge to see how far they could really go. Why test in winter conditions? Winter can seriously impact any EV's range and performance because cold temperatures affect battery efficiency. Testing in these conditions gives a more realistic estimate of how these cars perform when the weather isn't ideal. All cars had their tires set to the manufacturer's recommended settings, climate controls set to 21 degrees Celsius, and were driven in eco-drive modes. Each car was driven repeatedly around the test route in a convoy, with drivers switching cars and changing the running order at the end of every lap. In the test, the Mercedes EQE came out on top, covering 300 miles or 482 kilometers on a full charge. This luxury executive sedan impressed us with its range, making it perfect for long trips. What about the Tesla Model 3 long range? It covered 293 miles or 472 kilometers, right behind the Mercedes. The Tesla stood out for its efficiency, achieving 3.9 miles per kilowatt hour. This means the Tesla Model 3 can go further on less energy, making it a cost-effective choice for many drivers. So what makes the Tesla Model 3 so efficient? The Model 3's advanced aerodynamics, lightweight build, and efficient battery management systems all contribute to its outstanding efficiency. And how did the Lexus RZ fare? Despite its high price, it only managed 157 miles. Its trip computer showed 0 miles remaining after 136 miles, but it continued for another 21 miles at low speeds before completely stopping. This performance is quite disappointing, especially considering the cost of the Lexus RZ. The Jeep Avenger covered just 163 miles, making it one of the least impressive in terms of range. Similarly, the Lexus RZ fell short, managing only 157 miles despite its high price. Why did the Lexus RZ and Jeep Avenger underperform? Factors like battery size, vehicle weight, and overall design efficiency can affect an EV's range. The Lexus RZ and Jeep Avenger may have design elements or weight factors that reduce their overall efficiency. Heat pumps can improve a car's efficiency and range by transferring heat from the outside air into the car's interior. But are they worth the extra cost? The test of two Volkswagen ID.7s, one with a heat pump and one without, found that the heat pump improved efficiency by 5.2%. Ever wondered why your EV's range seems to drop in cold weather or during windy days? Several factors can impact EV efficiency. How do weather conditions affect EV performance? Cold weather, standing weather, and higher winds can all reduce efficiency and drain batteries more quickly. For instance, colder temperatures slow down the chemical reactions in the battery, reducing its ability to hold and deliver charge. Driving through standing water increases resistance and requires more energy, while higher winds create additional drag, making the car work harder to maintain speed. Are EV trip computers always accurate? Not always. The BYD Dolphin claimed an efficiency of 3.9 miles per kilowatt hour, but in reality it was only 3.1 miles per kilowatt hour. These differences show that relying solely on trip computers might not give you the full picture. Understanding these factors can help you get the most out of your EV, whether it's knowing the best conditions for a long trip or figuring out why your range seems to drop unexpectedly. Let's take a look at a few other cars and how they perform in different conditions. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 offers different battery options, but the long-range model with a 77.4 kWh battery is the fan favorite. How far can the Hyundai Ioniq 5 go on a single charge? In the best conditions, it can travel up to 303 miles, 488 kilometers on one charge, putting it right up there with other top long-range EVs. Plus, its fast charging ability means you can go from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes using a 350 kilowatt charger. What's inside the Ioniq 5? The interior is packed with cool features like a movable center console and a big digital dashboard. It also has a vehicle-to-load (V2L) capability. so you can use the car's battery to power other devices, which is great for camping trips or emergencies. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 is the next big thing in Hyundai's EV lineup. Featuring a sleek, sedan-like design and even more advanced features than the Ioniq 5, built on the same electric global modular platform EGMP, the Ioniq 6 focuses on aerodynamics to boost range and efficiency. What makes the Ioniq 6 so special? This model boasts an impressive range of up to 379 miles, 610 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to its slick design and efficient powertrain. It also has ultra-fast charging, similar to the Ioniq 5, so you can recharge quickly and hit the road again in no time. But then there are also the classic EVs that have a better chance on the road. The Tesla Model Y is a versatile and popular choice in the EV market, known for its impressive range, performance, and Tesla's robust supercharger network. The Model Y offers a long-range version with a 75 kWh battery pack. How does the Tesla Model Y perform in terms of range? The Tesla Model Y long range can cover up to 326 miles, 525 kilometers on a single charge. It also supports Tesla's fast charging technology, allowing it to gain 162 miles, 261 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes at a supercharger station. The Model Y is designed to be a practical family SUV with ample cargo space, seating for up to 7 passengers, and advanced safety measures. Its dual-motor all-wheel drive provides excellent traction and performance in various driving conditions. EV batteries are the most expensive component of an electric car. So how long do they last? Most EV makers offer a battery warranty of 8 years or 100,000 miles, with some going up to 120,000 miles or even 150,000 miles. Early electric cars like the original Tesla Roadster are still running with their factory-fitted batteries after more than a decade, showing that modern EV batteries can last even longer. What affects the lifespan of an EV battery? The lifespan of an EV battery is influenced by factors such as charge and discharge cycles, operating temperatures, and overall usage patterns. Regular maintenance and proper charging habits can help extend battery life. Battery degradation happens over time as you go through charge and discharge cycles. Frequent use of DC fast charging, high temperatures, and rapid acceleration can speed up this process. But modern EVs are built to last, with advanced cooling mechanisms and battery management systems to minimize stress and prolong their lifespan. What is battery degradation and how can you mitigate it? Battery degradation is the gradual loss of a battery's capacity to hold charge over time. To mitigate degradation, avoid excessive fast charging, keep the battery cool, and drive moderately to reduce strain. To extend your EV battery life, avoid frequent fast charging, keep the battery cool, and drive gently. Realistically, you can expect your EV battery to last between 10 and 20 years, which is longer than most people keep their cars. Here are some practical tips to help you maximize your EV battery life. Wondering why you should avoid frequent fast charging? While it's convenient, it puts more stress on the battery and can speed up degradation, so use it sparingly. Curious about keeping your battery cool? High temperatures can reduce battery life, so park in the shade or a garage whenever possible, and use the car's cooling system wisely. Why drive gently? Rapid acceleration and high speeds consume more energy and strain the battery, so smooth, moderate driving can help extend battery life. How should you charge wisely? Aim to keep your battery between 20% and 80% charge, and avoid letting it drop to 0% or charging it to 100% too often, as this can wear out the battery faster. Why should you follow these tips? Following these tips can help prolong the life of your EV battery, ensuring that your car remains efficient and reliable for years to come. So EVs like the Tesla Model 3 and Mercedes EQE offer great range and efficiency, but features and weather conditions can impact performance. The Tesla Model 3 was the most efficient in the test, while the Mercedes EQE had the longest range. But the Lexus RZ and Jeep Avenger didn't perform as well, showing how EV capabilities can vary. The Hyundai Ioniq 5, Ioniq 6, and Tesla Model Y also show advancements in EV tech with long ranges and cool features. Why are heat pumps important? They can boost efficiency, but might not always be cost-effective. How does weather affect EVs? Cold weather, standing water, and high winds can impact performance. Knowing these factors helps you make better choices when picking an EV. Curious to learn more? Click on the next video to keep exploring the world of EVs with us.